Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau. Now I wanted to show you how to transfer this value, this single delivery order number from one worksheet to another worksheet. So it's gonna be like this: from cell D3 and put it here. How to do this? Right, this is manually. Let's do it. So we fire up this, and this is the code. So what we do is that we'll write this code from the form D3 and paste it to A2. So I change it to A2. Okay, so you start with this and followed by this. And that is how you can keep the value. So I run the code, I put the cursor between sub and end sub, and I press this run button and this run. See, let's just delete it. Let's run again. That's it. Now we also want to learn how to use this getting last use row, right? Let's go to the DO form. So we're looking at this form, and from the cell B10, cell B10, from cell B10, we just type in this, and we will track this last row from cell B10 going down, and we will get to know this number item as well, right? So this time we'll press F8, the function key F8 to go to line by line, and cell B10, last row is 14, and 14 minus 10 will get 4 items, and that is how we get the number of items. And thanks for watching.